Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, today we are starting with NUMPY. NUMPY is a library which is used in machine learning mainly. So the starting of it, we'll be looking at what version of NUMPY we are using after installing it, and we'll show the configuration and to build a configuration of NUMPY. So for that we have a short program over here, you can look into it. First, to import the library, like any other programming, object-oriented programming language, we use import. Like we use in Java to import the packages. Here we use import for importing libraries. So import NUMPY as NP. NP is an object created of this library. So whenever we'll be referencing NUMPY library, we'll use NP as the short form of it. Now till you don't use it, you will get this error that it is imported but it's not used. So let's just use it. I'll just print a statement wherein I'll take the version function to see the version of the NUMPY library that we have downloaded. It's two underscores between two underscores, like two underscores, then version, and again two underscores. Now that was to print version of what we use is print. Now to import NUMPY, to use NUMPY we use the object np dot. Then we have a function called show config. So for that we'll write show underscore config and then brackets. So we are done over here mainly. So we'll be running this. What we actually did was that we imported NUMPY library with the object name np. So wherever we'll be using NUMPY, we'll just use np dot and then the function or property name. Here we use np dot version, which will specify the version of the NUMPY library that we have installed and have been using it. Then for its configuration, we have show config, which will show the configuration of the NUMPY library. We'll run the following code by clicking over here in the run section. You can see in the console window as the configuration is big enough, it's showing this many things. So if you are using terminal, might be more good to view. So you can see over here the configuration version is 1.16.4 of NUMPY, and then the information of that is the configuration of entire NUMPY library is shown over here in the console video, which is this big. So this was all about version and configuration of NUMPY library. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.